In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent in Canva. Indenting your text is a simple way to make your designs look more polished and professional. It helps organize information, highlight key points, and make your layouts easier to read. Even though Canva doesn't have a traditional ruler like some word processors, there are still a couple of easy ways to create indents, and I'll walk you through both. First, open your Canva design or file in the editor. This can be any type of design that includes text, such as a presentation, social media post, or document. Once your design is open, click on the text box that contains the paragraph or line you want to indent. Make sure you can see the blinking cursor inside the text. Now, place your cursor exactly before the text you want to indent. This usually means clicking at the very beginning of the line or paragraph. With your cursor in place, press the space bar or the tab key on your keyboard. As you do this, you'll see the text move to the right, creating an indent. If the indent is too small, simply press the space bar or tab key multiple times until you're happy with how far the text has shifted. Take a moment to zoom in if needed, just to check that everything looks aligned and consistent with the rest of your design. If you prefer using Canva's built-in tools instead of keyboard shortcuts, there's another simple method. With your text still selected, look at the toolbar at the top of the Canva editor. You'll see a row of formatting options like font, size, alignment, and spacing. Among these, find the icon for increasing indent. It usually looks like a small arrow or line pushing text to the right. Make sure your cursor is placed within the line or paragraph you want to indent, or that the text box is selected, then click the increase indent icon once. Your text will immediately shift to the right. If you want a deeper indent, click the icon again. Each click will move your text a little further over, giving you precise control over how it looks. Use whichever method feels most natural to you. Keyboard spacing is quick for small adjustments, while the toolbar icon is great for consistent, repeatable indents across multiple lines or paragraphs. With these two options, you can easily control indentation in Canva and keep your designs clean, structured, and easy to read.